Hi students, welcome to DOPA classes. Today I am going to discuss some values in energy level. Okay, so here, what's called energy level? All of you know that the energy of electron in different stationary orbit are different, and we know the equation of total energy. Okay, here the total energy of a hydrogen atom, that is E is equal, that's the general equation, that is equal to minus 13.6 by n square electrovolt. So that's the equation of total energy of hydrogen atom. Ready? Then here for lowest stationary or lowest level, that is called ground level or ground state. So for ground state, look at here, for ground state, here n is equal to 1. On that case, here E1, that is equal to minus 13.6 electrovolt. Okay, then for first excited state, look at here, it's very easy to study the values. For first excited state, that is the second orbit, that is n is equal to 2, and here E2, just give the value to here. So E2 we get a minus 3.4 electrovolt. Then for second excited state, that means n is equal to 3, here E3, that is equal to the energy level of the second excited state, that is minus 1.51 electrovolt. Ready? And the third excited state, for third excited state, here n is equal to 4. So we get E4, that is equal to minus 0.85 electrovolt. Then here for fourth excited state, here n is equal to 5. That means here E5, the energy on the fourth excited state, which means the fifth orbit, E5, that is equal to minus 0.54 electrovolt. Then here for fifth excited state, that means n is equal to 6. So here E6 we get minus 0.37 electrovolt. Ready? Clear? Then for sixth excited state, here n is equal to 7. Okay, which means the seventh orbit. On that case, the energy E7, that is equal to minus 0.28 electrovolt. Thus here when n is equal to infinity, here the energy will become 0. Got it? So you should need to study these all values by heart, so that you can score the NEET exam. Ready?
Hi all, you are watching a DOPA capsule class now. To know more about DOPA and DOPA capsule, download DOPA app and contact us using this number.